Welcome to our channel, American Express's Plan. It feature allows you to pay for purchases over time with fixed monthly payments and no interest, just a plan fee. Follow these step-by-step instructions to use this valuable feature. Step 1. Log into your American Express account online at www.americanexpress.com or through the Amex mobile app. Step 2. Navigate to your account dashboard and look for the Plan It option, which may be featured prominently or in the account management section. Step 3. Review your eligible purchases, which are typically transactions of $100 or more that have posted to your account. Step 4. Select the purchase or multiple purchases you want to convert into a payment plan by clicking on them. Step 5. Choose your payment plan duration from the available options, typically ranging from 3 to 24 months, depending on the purchase amount. Step 6. Review the plan details, including the monthly payment amount, plan fee, and plan duration before proceeding. Step 7. The plan fee is a fixed monthly charge that appears on your statement and is based on the plan amount and duration you selected. Step 8. Confirm that you understand the terms. The plan fee is charged monthly, but there's no interest, and you can pay off the plan early without penalty. Step 9. Submit your plan. It request and wait for confirmation that your payment plan has been created. Step 10. Check your next statement to see the payment plan details, monthly payment amount, and the first plan fee charge. Step 11. Your monthly plan. Payment will be included in your minimum payment each month and can be paid along with your other charges. Step 12. Manage your active plans by returning to the Plan It section, where you can view balances, make extra payments, or pay off plans early if desired. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.